Hello. This. Good morning. Welcome to the live streams again. Luke Trade London. We're here every single day. Get the Zoom people in as well. There we go. I like Frank. Good morning. Mirza.
Yo.
Yo.
Sorry.
How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good. Looks like a pretty good day today.
Yeah. I mean, gold GJ, some setups can maybe happen, so yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Let me remove this for a second.
Morning, boys.
Yo, what's up, man? How are you, bro?
Yeah, chilling, cruising. Yourselves?
Cruising? Yeah, pretty good, man.
Yeah, Friday is calm day today for me. Really
Nice.
relaxing.
Nice. Put this one on cold. On a window. Cool. Look at that move down. On cold. Insane move down.
Yeah.
Put some music on.
I think it was like 300 pips or something like that.
Oh yeah, from the top. Yeah, I was just looking at this one. Same stories. Fucking hell. Insane.
Yeah, I mean, some maybe got like 350 if you held like even a runner, like 350 pips on a runner.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
That would be a lot.
Yeah. But now the good thing is if we break up like 1873.20 is my level, I mean, after we have some clear candles to go up, even now, like, we could maybe get some sells up.
Yeah.
And we still have clean candles to the bottom too, so.
Looking for both.
Very cheap.
Yeah, those moves are amazing because it creates clean range, you know.
Yeah.
So
if you break 76 or 74,
yeah,
you know it.
I don't think NFB is gonna be the catalyst for that.
You would be surprised.
No, because I think everything was priced in yesterday.
Yeah, but they could still fly. I mean,
yeah, true, but you know. It was definitely priced in the way it dropped, like, because it dropped like without stop, man. There was no stop sign there.
No, definitely not. Just went on only at like 9 o'clock UK time. It did a little pullback and then started dropping further.
Yeah, but that was just a 4-hour top wick actually, so it made sense to do that.
Yeah, made a lot of sense. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, gold could move today.
Hopefully.
Hope so too. Change this. And right, there we go. Yo, Professor Pippage. Good morning. Let's see, a little bit on the higher time frames. Okay. Weekly broke the previous lows. Daily closed bearish. Made a small top wick. It's coming back down again, but let's see. Could reject off this rejection wick and this sort of support that's created here. If you look closely here, this could be a support created. Maybe on the 4-hour you will see it right here at 63 level. Right here. But that would already be a target for us to sell into because it's big enough, so I don't think we have to worry about that. I think buys are going to come into play once we break structure, and structure is at 74.34. So I think that would be pretty good.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like a buy stop kind of entry. Like it just like
You know what I got?
You just have to like get in and it just flies.
Yeah. All the way back down. Properties.
Even GJ's maybe like setting up for some sales. So
yeah, I was looking at it too, but
yeah, I want to see some resistance below 320 level, sort of free, because 370 is our 4-hour swing higher low. So if we can form some sort of resistance below that level, I think we're good.
You know what just happened on gold?
Yeah.
Gold made a 4-hour top wick.
Yeah, but the thing is how it went down with all those like small candles, like body candles. I mean, you could now expect it to make like a bottom wick a bit lower and after to start pushing higher too.
Let's see.
I mean, like, I don't know too much yet of gold, how it like its movement, but if it was GJ, I would still be more comfortable maybe with buys afterwards.
Yeah, makes sense.
Guys.
Good morning, good morning.
Yo.
Friday then. Sunday what?
Yeah, Luke knows what he's looking for, I think.
You want me to make a screenshot?
Screenshot.
1 second.
Okay.
Look in the WhatsApp.
Nice.
I'm ready.
Perfect.
I'm ready. No one can say me shit.
Yeah. There's no more thought involved, right? It's just
No. This is full on my own shit. I give a fuck if it's Friday. Give me the Friday.
Okay.
Do you see it, Frank?
Yeah, I mean, we're getting close, so
You're getting real close.
makes sense.
Thought that you don't make live right now. I do. Every single day, man. Every single day.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, my magic keys is not working.
You turn it on?
Yeah. Literally not working. Oh, because it didn't get open through magic keys. Wow. I can't do. Yeah, I can't do anything because it didn't get open through magic keys.
Why? What are you trying to do?
1 second. Need to see what happens.
I think it should work. It always works as long as it's on the same chart. Any position.
Rough. I can show you right now. It's not working. Doesn't open. Right.
Just use manually, bro.
What do you say?
Just use manually.
Yeah. I'll
Open
use that.
manually, man.
Yeah, just do like this. Well, a delicate situation, but I'm in a sell.
Yeah.
I'm in a sell from, where did I get in? 3.9. Somewhere like right here. I got stops, 20 pip stops. And my target is
I
right
think
here.
you're gonna hit 10 pips quick.
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, the previous close was a little weak, but
I'm running around 5.5 pips right now, so let's see. I mean, target is 100% big enough. So.
Last 10-minute push. Bounce.
Yeah, let's see. It's the 1 hour close, so it needs to close well. Stop loss is okay size, so I have enough room. I'm gonna give it a little more room. I hope so. That's the plan. I do think it's gonna come back up with the closure of the 1 hour, but let's see. The 1 hour just needs to close below that this 86 level. You too, man like duper. I like that. I like that positivity. It really doesn't work. Like if I click partial TP or the other one, it doesn't work. Like opening calc works, but the rest doesn't. Like for real.
I think the 50% closes and things like that, it should work. But,
And I can show you. Like
I don't know what's going on.
I would wait for that 1 hour close. Yeah, me too. If it closes, it closes. It depends. Stops are at the 5-minute high right here. 20 pips. My first target is what, like right here.
What?
And second target is right here.
What's that? 10 pips?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go, 10 pips hit.
Nice.
yes, sir.
This is just when I listen to myself and I'm in my own zone. I don't give a shit.
Yeah, I talked about it last night.
Yeah.
Fuck the rest.
Now go away, people. WhatsApping me. When you're phone and people are sending you messages and all those things get into the front of the screen. Fuck out. So yeah, I'm trying to hold my first target 20 pips, to be honest, because I have a 20 pip stop. I am lowering my stop loss itself though, but rather hold till 20 because I have the 1-to-1 risk ratio at that moment. Let's see. Might not do it, but I'm ready if it doesn't. And the only problem is that it closed without bottom wick, so I am closing 50% right now. Put in stop loss at break even for the leftover position that's running. Running around 16 pips profit. 0.4. direct target of this position is going to be 60. I told you yesterday it went ham straight away. Massively.
But it's the same setup we looked at last night. Right?
Yeah.
Where, yeah,
I secured 50% at like 13 pips. But let's see where this goes.
it's exactly.
Might want to give it a little bit more room, to be honest. Let's see.
Justus, you in here? Yeah, guess not. But I got my eyes on GU cells. Looks like it's breaking down.
He was here.
I see how this one closes and put a sell stop in below the low.
Nick, that new logo looks cool. It's
Yeah,
like,
man, it's
bit-
awesome.
It's like a Bitcoin kind of.
Yeah, I went and got 2 of them, but I like the other one better. The one I put on Instagram.
I just saw the one on Slack. Wait, let me see.
Yeah.
Let's see what
Ah,
this
yeah.
1 hour is going to do.
I mean, they're both pretty good, honestly. I mean, they're both very good, actually.
Yeah, man. I went on Fiverr and I thought I found the lady that Luke used. But it
And
wasn't.
she lied to him.
Yeah, I was like, hey, I think you made my friend's logo. Luke trades lunch. She's like, yeah, I did. I can help you too.
Oh, fucking hell. All these scams.
Yeah, like that's the dumbest thing. She just should have said like, no, but I can help you anyways. Tell me what you, you know, what
Nick,
you're
you
looking
in GU
for.
cells?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for this to close. I wanted to
yeah.
do impulse, but I'm waiting for
Just
this one
be
to close. and
mindful of 800.
Oh yeah, 100%. Like if you go way far to the left, and like 3 or 4 days ago, there's a problem area, but immediate left
Because-
is clear.
We're at the 4-hour resistance. Support at this very moment. So just be
I think if
very
this 5 minute,
cautious.
if this 5 minute on gold closes weak bullish, I might take the break of the low.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I was looking at that too at the second position.
Trillion
But
run.
Nick, if we close below that, I think we might go to 400.
Yeah, once it broke that technical, like, because immediate price action, there's a double bottom with those 2 wicks. We're pushing below that, so if it breaks the low of this candle, I'm gonna take the risk. If it comes back up, then I'll get out.
I'd just be, 4-hour looks very nice.
1000%. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
It's creating a nice little wick. If it makes a wick up and then breaks the low, even better.
And
But like I
close
said,
to
we'll
the
see.
break even now.
Hey, morning, guys, man. Hey, look.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, morning, guys, man. Hey, look.
Oh, someone has double sound on, guys. Come on. Oh, someone has double sound on, guys. Okay.
I think it's.
Yeah, I got it. That's it. Coming close to that stop.
It looks like it's mirroring those wicks to the
Yeah.
left.
If we get a break at the low at 65, 66, I might try another shot. If I get taken out at break even, because I see this candle doing some crazy shit. Like it makes sense if the candle's gonna pull back to 68,114, and I don't want to be in the pullback if it does that. But let's see. What pair is this? Is gold. Ooh, I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah. Stopped out. Stopped
I mean, well,
out.
still well done. I mean, you listen to yourself. Got
Yeah.
what, 10, 15 pips.
Yeah, only closed 50% though. I was looking to really leverage.
Still profit.
Yeah, 100%.
And I came in a little late, but I think you and Frank was talking against your bias.
What were you saying?
Oh, looking for buys and selling at the same time.
I
No.
had that level also for sales, but like it was not comfortable. I was not comfortable with those sales. And yeah, buys I would be very comfortable above 1873, like 20.
Yeah, me too. I also have buy stops above there.
It's going ham.
You know my entries, Masterpiece. Masterpiece saw my entire library of nearly 250 trades yesterday, so man knows. Guys, we're about to hit 8,500 subscribers, like no joke. So if you're in here and you're not subscribed yet and you took the same trade, you know what to do. Subscribe, right? Put this one on the screen.
Colors Eye says, thanks bro, taking TP at 10 pips. Good strat.
Very nice.
Professor Pipich trading NAS 100. That's like the kind of pair like I see on Instagram, like people just like making money left and right, but it just like, yeah.
It's like really, really hard, but goes really, really fast.
Yeah, I mean, I would say it's like kind of US 30 moves.
Yeah, it should mirror US 30 more or less.
But yeah, like every time you see all those like big numbers on Instagram, like fake or real, you have no idea. I mean, it's always like on a NAS 100 or US 30, I feel like.
I think it was pretty good. I think my next target for my runner was 62. Like I wanted to close 62 at that percentage. I didn't want to close any sooner. Like I closed now at like 13 pips. I closed 50%. So the entire position got closed at like 7.5 pips. Because the runner was still yeah, that was 14 divided by that, 14, 15 divided by that, 7.5 pips, but I was looking for the runner to really go to like 62, or 59. Like I was really trying to leverage the runner because there was a high probability for price to just start pushing, but the problem was that this 1 hour just fucked it all up. This 5-minute candle should have come back down, broke the lows, and continued moving further down towards these levels right here. But at least we went some good profit.
Yeah, for Friday it's pretty good.
If I see,
It's gonna be the first pattern in your playbook.
Yeah, we went 18 pips down, nearly to the 1-to-1 target.
I can bet you there's some people in sales on GJ.
In a 10
Oh yeah. That makes sense though, I think. Yeah, it makes sense. But your target... Yeah, your target... No.
Yeah.
Nah.
A full 10 pips.
Not even 8 pips.
Yeah, not even. Support is what?
In 190 or 200.
Yeah, I have one like 200 and that's like 9 pips. Not even with spread and everything.
If we start breaking the previous 4-hour high, I'm looking for buys. What do you think about NFP later? Yeah, nice. It could make our session range. I wanted to say session and range at the same time. Nice one.
Nice.
Session range. Yeah, yesterday it had huge impact. So let's see. It means if we come back up right now, we're gonna be making a fake out.
No, I think it's just like normal market structure, maybe on the 1 hour a little bit, but that makes sense because on the 4 hour, like we said, you have to make a bottom wick before it starts breaking up.
Yeah, that's true though. That's true.
And for me, like, yeah, for market structure, like what it's doing now, I really like it because now if it breaks up, I know that the 4 hours a bottom wick, and it can now keep pushing up.
Yeah, very nice. What do you think? It's a good range to enter GJ trade, 15 pips at least. Let's take a look. I'll put this on.
Yeah, 15, 20 pips. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I think right here. Well, it's pretty easy. Buys above this resistance right here. Gonna have 18 pips, 14 to 18 pips. You're buying inside the range, but that's okay. GJ's ranging anyways. Asian had made the push down. That support.
Nothing new, eh?
What do you say? Yeah, nothing new, no. And if this is gonna come back up, it's gonna fake out and it's gonna go to the top of these ranges, maybe to go to 600 first and then to 800 or 750, 760. I think that should be the plan because this kind of is already rejecting a little bit right now. So if you see continuous rejection of this support here to the left, I think you need to wait for a close or a break above 445 and then continue moving up. Like there's two things, or you're gonna break and close above this zone, or you're gonna go in with an impulsive entry at the top. Now I would advise you to wait for a close, but if you're aggressive, you could. It's a Friday though, so keep that in mind. I had that sell stop already placed in, Master. When I went into the shower, already had it placed in. I knew what was going to happen.
Oh, nice, nice.
The only thing is it didn't go further down. But it's sort of retested a level now. Look, it's retesting that resistance. So if we come back down and start breaking 65, 65, 65 right here at my just below my above my 20 pip target. My 20 pip target was like right here, something like 4.
Yeah, true, that could make sense.
I would maybe take another sell down because then we're rejecting from support. We're rejecting all these wicks right here
from resistance.
Yeah, and then we have an easy and then we have an easy target towards 62.50 and further down towards like 60 flat, to say it quickly.
Yeah, true. Then London might be doing that liquidity grab for New York to just keep going up with the news.
Yeah, and the good thing for now too is we haven't broken highs or lows on the 4 hour, so it could still come down easily also.
Oh, this situation. Ooh, I like it.
Yeah, I think it's either gonna come down or just range. I don't think it's
I think we're gonna
break
come
above.
I think we're gonna come down, but if we go up 74, 300, I'm ready. Colors.
I don't think I'll range.
Colors. Hey, look. Wait, Retro's last day today. Will you be doing New York sessions maybe with Master P? Yes, sir. So for the people that are questioning this to us, we will be doing the New York sessions from next week on. So we will be there providing the New York session. Don't worry about that. Every single day of the week. Monday,
Friday.
So Friday, Master P is gonna do Tuesday and Thursday, and I will be doing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we're gonna do both sessions. It's gonna be very hard. What I said yesterday as well. If we're sometimes grumpy or annoying, it's because we need to put a lot of work into that session, into both sessions, because it just takes out a lot of energy.
So make sure to subscribe so you can tune in and not miss out on the value.
Exactly.
Rest in peace those who took the GJ sales to break the 1 hour low.
Yeah, GJ and GU. That's why I hate taking breakout trades, like impulse breakouts. It's just
Yeah, this is faking out right now, and I think if you start closing above 400, like 155, 400, you could expect price to go up to 600. But go ahead, I went straight through you, Nick.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Okay. Maybe Chinese FX. Maybe I had a couple messages with him though. So maybe he'll join a session. Louise, let's go. Good for people as well. Good for the channel. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's very, very good. Let me try and fix something real quick. Ooh, look at that push up. Look at that push up. That's crazy.
Is Kerwin will be joining? We should get Kerwin for the New York session one time.
Ask him. Ask him to join. Price is pushing up big time right now. Yeah, 71 is breaking. I don't know if this is you really want this structure to break to get in, but it's do some crazy movements. So let's see. I think if we start breaking up, we made the liquidity grab. And then I think we could start continuing moving further up. One second, my MetaTrader is doing some dumb shit. There we go.
yeah, it looks like GU did a really nice fake out. But still waiting for it to break above like 41.60 before I even take a buy.
Damn, this is the same situation on GU that happened a week ago.
Jeez.
27th May, I think, right?
I don't know, man.
And
You
the
you
20th
remember
May.
some weird shit sometimes.
Like if I look on the 30-minute on GU, 20th May. Wait, is that? Yeah, 20th May, and then 27th May, it did this counter trend kind of thing where it broke structure. Yeah, I remember a lot.
Morning, Luke. Guys, hope you're all doing good. So, who's got you those gold buys? Yesterday in New York and NYSE session. Yeah, I didn't. I was not on the charts. 15 closed without a top wick, but it did create a support right here. There's two situations that could come into play. We're gonna break that back down, and we're gonna say bye-bye to the resistance. We're gonna break the resistance, and we're gonna come all the way back up, back down. I mean, back up. I mean, back down. How old are you, Luke? That's a good question, man. One sec, let me put the light off behind me. 1 second. Rubber. Yeah, I'm 21. No, 22. Fucking hell. I'm 22.
Man, forgot his birthday was 2 seconds ago.
Yeah. Know it. Even if trades of November. Yeah, I do remember my trades, but I don't know the exact date or whatever, you know. Hello, man, like Ariel.
I just came in, guys. Are we buying or selling gold? Tell me, please.
Both.
Both, yeah.
No, you never lose. Luke is 61. He's the same age as Monty.
Monty was there when the first candle on GJ printed.
Oh shit! Yo, I got nothing to do with this.
How old is Coleman?
Who?
Coleman.
Oh,
Ronald
Kerwin.
Coleman.
Oh,
No.
no,
Luke's best mate, Ronald Coleman.
Oh, I think he's like 60, 70, around that.
Yeah, there you go, man. That's
Man,
your
like-
hero.
Oh,
Fucking know it.
That's cool.
Or Ming, when did you start trading? Like September 2009.
man, the Gulag wants to do some accounting over here.
Yeah. Like, what are the details? How much I make a month? Good question, man. Good question.
Millions.
Millions.
They're trying to
Brilliant.
do the taxes for you.
Yeah, if you can do the taxes at the same time, I wouldn't mind, man. Exactly, man, like Josh, you know. Yeah, man, like Dimitri.
GJ would be really nice if it could close above resistance.
Yo, look, you check out check out AU. Yeah, sure. Send in the chart, and then I'll look at it on the
I
image.
just sent it.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. I like the pitch.
We need that timpani beat down, Luke.
Oh yeah, let me put that one in a second. There we go. Now this is charts that I like to see, man. This is some good work. Put this on the side. Broke support. Couldn't maintain the level. Okay. Yeah, price retested this level. That's pretty easy to see. Double top. Okay, this one did a fake out. Yeah, B fake out. Yeah, this is very good. This faked out into the zone. I think your entry should entry 15-minute chart. I should go from candle is a second. Yeah, this was the perfect entry. There's no better situation than this. Fake out with you, candle closes below support. It's only this level that people tend to see that gets in their minds, but I think you shouldn't just look at the clean traffic. Profit management, second one. Yeah, high time frame structure targets, that's very important. Steps above liquidity wick. Okay. I don't even think you had to do that. I think you had to put your stops right here. I think if you put your stop loss right here, that would have been all fine. It's the same color. Let me put the different color. Right here would have been all fine. Because now your stop loss is, yeah, it's big. It's pretty big. And I think it didn't have to be that big because this candle engulfed anyway. So if you see an engulfing candle, price is not allowed to break these highs anymore. Right? Because if it breaks the highs, it's going to fill the wick. And you're going to be in the wick fill. Or you don't want to be in the wick fill. You want to be out once it wants to start filling the wick. So I think you could have halved your stop loss at this moment. Yeah, targets was easy. This was your first target right here. Second target, this could have been playing some games, but eventually it's just started dropping. So I think you're all good, man. It's a very good trade, very good chart. I think your stop loss could have been a little bit tighter though. That's the only thing I've got to say about it. But for overall, very, very, very nice charts. Now guys, if you want to learn something, make a screenshot of this chart and learn from it, because it's a chart what you should be making as well, like every single day, about your opportunities and about your trades. So if I choose to do that, you get one more chance. Make a screenshot, guys, of the chart. There we go. No problem, man. No problem. 5 minute close bearish. If this comes back inside, we did a fake out outside of this range. We're coming back down. Once we start breaking the lows, I'm not gonna anticipate sells coming into play again. No, Master P is Italian. Italian, man.
Oh yeah, no, I'm Italian, but I do live in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Chun Wei is asking if I follow my plan and not take any trades in NY session. Well, my plan now is adjusted to sometimes take trades in NY session.
Yes.
So that's my new plan. Sometimes
Yes.
I can trade NY session.
We just make sure that we don't overtrade. 1 to 2 trades a day is max. And if we find a trade in London, we find a trade in London. We make only look for 1 trade in New York. If we don't find a trade in London, we only look for 1 trade in New York. That's my plan, at least.
Yeah, for me, I see with these market conditions how London volume is becoming a little unreliable for the you know currency pairs like pound yen. But yet, with that being said, there are still moves happening, and I see a lot of people, they're changing their whole plan. But I'm like, well, I don't necessarily want to change my whole plan or my whole approach to what I'm doing, because you know it took a lot of effort to get to where I wanted to be with this approach. So I'm like, well, maybe I can just trade these bigger moves in other sessions, right?
Pretty good.
But there's yeah, there's rhythm behind that. It's not me just looking at every session, you know. So
now guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, we're about to hit 8,500, so you know what to do. Would be much appreciated. We're coming really close. We're like 17 subscribers away at 8,500. Man, it's insane. Insane. Also, if you took the same trade, same gold sells, can't be lacking. Broke the previous lows. Now for me, I wasn't looking at entry yet. Just want to see like really the higher time frames candle reject this zone. So like 30-minute time frames reject this zone. I think it was a pretty good opportunity if you wanted to be in from here. Because then you should go down, and down, fill this level, and then continue moving down. Yeah, or Jenny's FX, or little, like a small lot, very small. This was a very good sell, man. This is a fake out on the 5-minute time frame. Man, that looked good. The entry should have been like 270. Target was 100% there.
yeah, trade the range.
Morning, Luke. I've dropped out. Oh, dropped out. That's what I should. I was like, dropped you a private message in Slack. Kindly respond to me. It's many thanks. No problem, man. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, I see. I missed it, man. I missed it. Thank you for joining in, man. Yeah, you need to leave. Leave FXCM. Yeah, you need to get the hell out of there. Let me. Here.
Oh damn, what's going on?
No, he got like a 4-pip spread on gold.
Sheesh.
Here, I sent you oh. Oh, what's going on? Here. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Edit message. That way. Dot. Magic keys. Lol. Here. You need to get out of FXCM. That's you're paying a lot of commission if you get a spread like that. This is the best broker, well, not the best one of the best brokers out there next to Dominion Markets. So I advise you to start trading with IC Markets. I have right now. You want to know my spread on gold right now? My spread on gold is 1 pip. It's a lot lower. Leonhardt, thank you, Luke, for 10 pips. No problem, man. No problemo, amigo.
Hey, Luke.
Hey,
just
man.
wanted to touch upon the same thing that Master mentioned.
Yeah.
With London not doing its thing with gold, and me solely concentrating on one pair right now, would it be a good idea to look for something at New York or
Wait. What
Or
can
do
you
I still strictly follow my trading plan?
You need to follow your trading plan, man. Just because price is not showing anything in this session doesn't mean that you need to start looking in New York.
Okay.
But you only look at gold? That's your only pair?
Yes.
Okay.
I have devised a trading plan because I'm fairly new.
Okay.
And, I mean, the embryonic stage right now is for me is learning how to risk manage to the T. And I feel that if I could learn how to risk manage on gold, then the other possibly would be.
Yeah, you can
where I'm
manage your
coming
spending.
from. Yeah, so that's the plan for the month.
I would advise you just if that's the plan for the month, stick to one session, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day, and look on what you've already said, how I could manage risk the best. Like, you're pretty new, and that's also what Review says to a lot of new people, and I think that's 100% true, because I did it myself as well. That you need to be looking how to manage risk. If you know how to manage risk, you're going to be winning anyways.
Yeah, in fact, I've been very patient, and I'm very happy with that. So I just wanted to clarify, and that gives me a lot of peace of mind. One session, 2 trades, learn, and then think about the other things as we go.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, is that you, Sham?
Of course, man.
How did you get in?
Hello. How did I get in, or when did I get in?
How?
Well, you have invited me, seeing that I'm in your good books, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, think about it.
The
I
link
don't
is always
understand.
the same, I guess.
I think it's always the same, right? Do you click on the same link?
The same link, yeah. I'm like, let me get in. Let me see what the
My man,
Get
you're
some
a G.
action.
You're a G. Wait, I was like, do you join Market Fluidity? I was like, I know this voice, man. I know this voice. Like, who is this?
So
Unless
as you
it's
can see, you got me going well, dude.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I'm following the rules, man. I got the plan on my wall as well.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
Very
awesome.
good.
Strict
Now,
plan.
For the
And then-
people that don't know who Shem is the guy that created the background for us, for the channel. So
Very eccentric.
yes, sir. That's very nice.
Yeah, man. Hey guys, if you guys ever need any graphic design or any assistance of that sort, please shout out. All right, I'll sort you out.
100%.
Yeah,
Where
man.
can we contact you, bro?
WhatsApp.
Yeah, I got his phone number, so don't worry.
Okay, okay.
Whenever you need to, just get Luke to hook you up with me, and we can take it from there. All right.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Man makes
Hey,
insane
Master.
designs.
Master, random question. What does the P stand for?
P? Oh, that's my name.
Yeah,
I,
I know. Yeah, what's the full? Yeah, okay, that's
The full name.
That's the first alphabet of your name. I get that. What's the full name?
Pier Paolo. Pier Paolo.
Pier Paolo. That's
Yes.
cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
but P. Nick has a nice one. P stands for people. You know, when I run for president, my campaign is gonna be Master
Post
P. The P is for
FX
people.
goes, post your contact.
I thought the P stands for plan. Master
Plan.
Yeah.
It's whatever you want it to. It can be pips, president,
Good one.
the people.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yo, morning.
Yo, what's up, man? Like Samuel. How are you, bro?
Hello.
Yo.
Have you made
I
any
just
trades?
woke up, dude. No, I didn't trade this morning. I was like,
Oh,
I was
shit.
happy with yesterday, so I didn't
Yeah,
trade today.
understand.
Plus, it's the last day of the week. You don't want to give it back.
Yeah. I was taking it back.
Yeah.
Like, Baba
Have you
boy.
guys made any trade?
Yeah.
Other than the gold?
Yeah,
You
just
on the gold trade.
I took the gold sells, and luckily it faked out. But if we come back down and we start breaking that 65, 600 level again,
Alright.
I will be taking sells again. or 74 at 300, 400.
Okay, that
Depends.
looks, yeah, that actually looks pretty good to go.
If anyone's watching GA, that could be a good sell. A little problem here to the left, but if it clears that, it'll be a clean sell.
You know what? I just looked at GA, just randomly though. So, are you saying the sales would be below the 300s or
What?
now
Yeah,
as it's breaking below?
Yeah, I got a sell stop because I was hoping the hourly would, play out to be a break and retest. So once it breaks that wick to the left, then I'll get activated.
The wick at
There's a wick right at 83, 860.
879.
Because I'd really prefer the hourly to close, but I'm pretty sure like it might just, push way past there.
Is it the one that's like a couple of pips away?
Yeah, exactly. So it's close enough, but not, too close.
I'm questioning why you have this trend line right here. But okay. Like 74, 60, 73 makes sense. Very good. I think 73 flat is a little bit too soon, but trade what you see. Oh.
What was the UK index again? Was it a Nifty
What's
500?
that? FTSE 100.
Oh,
FTSE
FTSE,
250.
right?
I
FTSE.
think it's
That's
FTSE.
Oh yeah, that was it. Thank you.
I think if you're trying to search it on TradingView, it's just called UK 100.
Okay.
If you want to search it on there.
Oh yeah, right there. FTSE UK
Yeah.
100.
Because I thought it'd be kind of cool to trade that.
Yeah, true. I'm thinking if GJ is gonna be so trash, let's just trade the whole UK economy.
You can trash it.
But it's
Yeah,
also
you
just
have
as
that.
trash.
In the Netherlands, you have like the EAX, I think.
The
AEX.
Euronext. Man, even the FTSE 100 consolidates during London session. It moves more in New York than it does in London. Sheesh. Let's see the Dutch index.
Why trade during NFP? Because that's in New York. No problem, Funny Blast. Can I use your broker in Malaysia? I got no idea, man. I don't have a broker. I use IC Markets. Gold buy, yes, no, please. I don't know, man. Come on. What question is that? But the 15 did a fake out, but it closed without a bottom wick. That's the only issue.
Yeah, where you've got your levels marked up, Luke, is where I want to take buys. 1873 point something.
Yeah. Yeah, for
That's where closes above there. That's when I'm.
yeah. Like I'm looking for close above here or break above here.
Yeah, if you look on the 4 hour, it just looks perfect, really.
What do you say?
If you get some lower time frame closes,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
hour or 30 minutes.
Where are
above
we?
that level.
Oh, go ahead. Sorry, I went straight through you.
No, yeah, that was it.
Okay. Yeah, if we break this, we're breaking structure and then we're gonna come back up. At least towards the previous one, like 82. But let's see. Selling wise, I would want to see price respecting the 4 hour highs, where it's at pretty much right now, like 72.1. But if we
Yeah.
start coming back down, we have like yeah, pretty good amount of time left. But this candle needs to start closing back inside the range of faking out and then breaking the low and continuing moving now. So yeah, EJ just broke out of consolidation, heading down. Nice. Let's take a look. That was not just, that was like 5 o'clock.
Oh shit.
Look how clean EJ is, bro. Pretty good. GA is on the move. Sort of, there's a crazy dog in the background.
Yeah, actually, that might be me. I'll mute myself.
What do you say?
That was him, I think.
Oh, okay. No problem, but I heard him like barking in the background.
Yeah,
He was
no, it's
like,
fine. It's the neighbour's dog.
oh, okay. I was like, where the rubber's at? It's did create a high on high on GA, so I think it's good to wait for a support and then trying to retest a high. I think, yeah. I think this is gonna go down first to maybe this level right here. Right here. And then create a support on that level and then retest the highs if I look at GA. Because he just broke the 4-hour levels, price broke structure, clean traffic down, at least towards this level right here at 770. So GU is trying to break out, but there's still a support right here on 829. I think if you break 829, you could continue moving down towards lower levels like 512, 420, which is smoking, or 250.
Your JPY is actually looking pretty clean.
Yeah.
If anybody trades it.
Your JPY. Oh shit. It's just steps. I think it's best to wait for support to form and then try and buy.
Yeah, in the meantime, I think you can sell the clean traffic to the left.
Yeah.
Dailies gonna do a deeper pullback. A broke structure.
You see this pattern masterpiece?
On gold.
Yeah, on the 15. Oh, I'm moving a little bit now. From yesterday. Where I used to take buys.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's breaking up, so it should be good. Soon it will be breaking the 4-hour highs. But I want to really do this wick because it's more of like the support wick, the resistance wick. Now we have a 1 hour also closing full on bullish, engulfing the previous highs and candlesticks. Yeah, 100% funny blast, 100%. So
Wow,
blue
last
confirm.
30
You say?
Like from once it broke that 15-minute high, in the last 30 seconds, it pushed
Yeah.
10 pips already. 8,
Yep.
9. So I think that's not something we should take a look at. If a candle's breaking a high or low in the last minute, it's like, fuck it, execute.
Yeah, it's moving.
Yeah,
Edwin,
on the run.
what's up, man? Good morning. Let's see. Let's see how this 1 hour and 30-minute candle is gonna close. I think we broke Yeah, we broke the previous 2 4-hour highs. Look how small these 4-hour candles are. But this week was pretty big though. But those candles are very small. I think also Asian had a lot of good selling options, because if you I don't know if that went after, but let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. That new open made a top wick on the 4-hour, and once it broke that 86 level flat, you had amazing sells coming down to fill the previous 4-hour wick here at 65, and it continued even more further down. I think target was 63,300 if you took this. Like, it made a top wick, respected the previous high, broke the low. That was the way to get in. Savage.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yo, good morning.
Hey, Luke. The other day, who was talking on the Zoom when he said, "I usually buy when you guys say to sell"?
Voila.
Voila.
Who was it?
Voila.
I'm wondering if he took a buy.
Probably, if he's not at work.
All right, because I did that when you were talking sells. I took a buy.
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, I took like 10 pips. So.
Michelle, how did your buys work out yesterday where you called out the daily low? I think it tanked some 300 pips from your entry.
Oh, so everything I took was profitable after it went negative, of course, because that's just my trading. But man, I got in on Raja's when he took that sell, and then he closed 50%, and then he closed 100%. And when he closed 100%, I took a sell, which was at the top. And then I'm sure you were watching. I mean, and everything he predicted worked out. So I got it. But let me just tell you, I was not being greedy. I just got out, took a big profit for the day. It was a really good day. And then I walked away, which was really good because my trading style used to be that I would wait for a drop and I would try to catch the retracement. And I call it now like trying to catch a falling knife, and I would get cut. And so when I took a profit, I walked away because my tendency would be like, okay, it's hit the bottom, get in and buy. And I never anticipated what it did. Like, would have never been able to call it dropping that much. And I would have been stuck in a buy as it was falling. So I'm not going to lie. I knew it was going to come down. I was telling Cody, we're either going to come back up 50% or we're going to consolidate sideways. And then this morning, well, I guess it's nighttime for me, morning for y'all, whatever. And it dropped down to, on my charts, it's 1855. On y'all's charts, I think it's 1853 was y'all's low.
Yeah.
And I entered there to come up because I knew that was going to be a full retracement. And I'm actually looking at an entire cup pattern from 1900 down over
from the gulag.
back up.
What do you say?
Thoughts on Raja over trading yesterday, even though he kept saying 1 to 2 trades? Well, I mean, if you look back on the stream, he mentioned he got a little caught up on the market moves, right, on that 1 hour candle. Yeah. His idea was based on the hourly candle, but he got caught up a little bit on the fluctuation of the 5 minutes. But Raja has enough experience to know, how to handle those situations.
Oh, I mean, yes. And I was like, because he nailed the call. He had it. He went to his MetaTrader and people saw his sell stop order out there, and it hit his sell stop, activated it, and then it just reversed on him. But because of his trading plan, which is awesome because of how he manages his risks, he got out. And when he got out, I was like, his trading idea was on point. And so I took his trading idea and I even asked him in the chat, like, are you going to give that a second chance? And he was like, I don't know. I've done my risk for the day, but I was in my head, I was like, I really hope you do, because you had like such a great call that I hope that you just re-enter. And at some point, I think he did re-enter.
Yeah, he did catch it.
Yeah. And even, you know, I don't do the take profit, leave one running. And oh my gosh, yesterday I wish that I would have done that. It would have been perfect. But I just, my tendencies and my trading, like I have to just take profit and walk away. Like if I can make,
yeah, if you
over
know that about
$1,000
yourself, if you, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, I wouldn't say it through you.
I mean, for me personally, if I make over $1,000 a day and walk away, I'm pretty happy.
That makes sense. It makes sense.
So, but no, I was really glad he got back in it, because he made a great call on that, and he manages risk so well. So I just admire that. But I was like, dang, I told Cody, I'm like, he's gonna close that whole position, and then the whole trading plan is gonna end up working out, because he had a great read on it. So Master P, the whole time I was thinking, I wonder if Master P took this sell.
No, I don't trade New York. Sometimes.
Maybe should, maybe could. Yeah, we don't really look at New York. At least I don't.
Only sometimes here and there. I was paying attention to the 4-hour close, but with ADP coming in, I just observed how that works for next time.
Where did you take the sells? I took the sells once, which is a 30-minute. Once the low of this bullish candle got broken. So this candle broke like, entry was like 40, like 740. And then took 10 pips, went around 18 pips profit. Expecting maybe price to retest the low right here. I eventually didn't do that, but still took some nice profit out. So
I think we'll be seeing some interesting opportunities once we start breaking above 1873.
yeah.
GG on the move as well.
GG on the move. Nice.
Slightly.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Oh, hey,
Yeah, it should retest the high if we start breaking this level. Should start retesting the highs.
If it doesn't do it in one candle.
That's the probability.
Cool.
I mean, it's breaking this high right now, so I think it should continue moving up. I'm not gonna trade that for today.
Nah, GG is just in a tight range. Too tight.
No, I
Because
think
right
from
now-
this top wick you have 15 pips.
Right now with the 4-hour resistance, man.
Yeah, true. But you engulf this previous candle. If you come up, once you engulf this previous candle, I think you should be good. Because then you're rejecting this level right here.
Yeah, 100%, man. But we broke the low again, so I'd just rather wait for the candle to close. I'm not taking that.
Yeah, that makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Maybe the last 5 minutes, gold's gonna fly.
Yeah, I think it's 74,300 might be 18.
You're very quiet.
Yeah, I think 1874 300 might be the way to go with how this
Yeah, maybe.
30-minute is closing.
I actually want to see this 5-minute candle close bearish.
Yeah, true.
But let's see, on the 1 hour time frame, we're creating that support to continue moving back up to fill the clean traffic right here. Maybe pull back a little bit before coming further down. Yeah, I think on GJ it's best to wait for a 30-minute, 1 hour close to do anything. Or if you got in from the top wicks, then you're in. But What do you want to say?
No, nothing. You just point out everything.
Nice.
It might close without a top wick as well, so it's just another cheeky thing.
Yeah, if it closes without top wick, you gotta be careful. You're gonna be playing with fire at that time.
Yeah, just tight range. If you look on the 4 hour, it's really tight. Like, wow.
Yeah.
Just 4 hour zones.
I do think this is a very strong zone, so it makes sense it's rejecting off it now and breaking up.
Yeah, is the high low that I was speaking to Dimitri.
Yeah.
The swing, the high low swing.
Yeah.
That we're rejecting. So from this point, we might push forward up.
This is trades I usually took, like at the break of the highs, or waited for 15 to close. Wouldn't closing without a top wick. Bullish stronger close, no. Means that price didn't create a range for the next candle to go up. And if it didn't create a range, there's a lower probability of the next candle going up. It still can go up, but the probability is just lower.
Yeah, he's just shooting, man. There's no range.
Song name, it's called Hear the Noise.
Get them tunes into the Zoom.
Oh really? Do I not have them into the Zoom?
No, you forgot today.
Man, like Johnny Dealey and the 41 players. It's like Master P.
Frank, are you in? Is Frank in?
Oh, gold is looking very moist.
You say?
Gold is looking very nice if it's closing above 73.30. Break of the high should be interesting. Then Michelle can take a sell when we take a buy.
Yeah, I think he's quiet.
I'm laughing at you, Master P. I'm not selling this. My overall bias is it's going up, so I won't be selling. I'm just gonna hold.
I was gonna do something, but I forgot.
Oh,
I don't know anymore. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have 320 people in and only 95 likes, and we already took a trade. Already took 10 pips on gold, so come on, guys, like this stream. And oh shit, guys, we hit something.
8.5.
8.5k. Like, no joke. That's no joke. Shit. Let me put up them horns, man. Go to YouTube real quick.
It's gotta be
Shit,
quick,
guys.
Candle closing in a minute and 45 seconds.
Yeah. Come on, guys. 8.5k. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's insane. 1.5k to hit 10 pips. 1.5 pips left. Yeah, man.
10 pips.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Luke, how long are you going to be covering New York? For 1 week or more?
More.
TzRzetHz is back. But hold on, we have a trade over here coming up, Michelle. So let's focus.
Okay, okay. I'm all good to talk. So yeah, 3 weeks. The time is.
Because I anticipate you're gonna get to maybe 12k by the time you're done filling in for New York.
Maybe. Okay.
Perfect analysis.
I think we're gonna hit 20. No, no, no. I think 10 is 10, 12. Yeah, 12 is pretty good. 12 should work out based on your calculations. So should be fun. Should be fun. Let's see. Now the candle did close above. It's still at that 30-minute zone. So let's see. First minute, I do want it to be a little bit easier, but I don't know if it's gonna be easy on us this time. Someone is saying short. Hello, gold buy or sell? Good question, man. You're gonna find it out yourself. Love from Ukraine. Thank you for the trade. No problem. Yeah, I didn't like the fact that it's trying to break the high in the first minute, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, the previous 5-minute close bearish. What I said I wanted it to see doing. Now, if we see one closing bullish and breaking the previous 4-hour high, the previous 4-hour high, then we should continue moving up. So
Yeah, definitely.
let's see.
So I am in a little bit of a trade.
Oh shit, man's already in.
But
ooh, what's your entry?
73.9. Yeah, point.
Oh damn. Yeah. Looking to get in a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Rather wait for this candle to settle a little bit, and then 5 minutes to close, and then see if I can get an entry. Masterpiece going ham. Not that masterpiece. I think it should be good anyways. It pulls back a little bit, but I think it should be good. What was your exact entry?
Like 73.9.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it could continue making a bigger lower wick before coming back up, but I think it should be good. Give it a little bit more room. 72, 75 should be okay. The flip of the candle, yeah, I think managing a little bit of risk would be good. But I think it should be good at the end of the day, 100%. I mean, price is not allowed to really break 72, 150.
Yeah, I'm out though.
Oh,
Managed
okay.
risk.
That's okay. My thing didn't get activated. I wanted to
Break the wick.
No, in my opinion, it was too early.
Mhm.
It was 2 minutes.
Yeah, because I remember what happened on Monday. Broke first minute, still went up, so I wasn't overthinking it. I
Yeah,
managed
yeah.
to create a
I think
bottom
you could
wick and then-
re-enter if we start breaking up
once
again.
you can.
Breaking the current high.
Did you get out, Master?
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay.
Mhm.
Long ago.
Yeah, broke the high, but I think the 1 hour is going to pull back a little more because this candle is so big, right? I think a pullback should be down towards like 800, like 71, 800, and then start flipping back up, breaking the high.
Yeah, I think it broke out sort of again in the first minutes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think in these situations, it's rather better to miss the trade. But that's what I personally think. So
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And also, I think it'll be better to buy once we start closing above 1874 flat, because that's
That's at 30
psychological
minute.
level. Yeah, the 1874 flat. Yeah. So once we
Yeah.
start closing above that, because if we go down to the 1 minute, also we can see the rejections, right? So you can see exact 1874 flat. It's been rejecting as
Yeah.
a psychological level.
Yeah, for me, if we start breaking up again and start, going
Yeah,
back
potential.
up, potential
So
buys
now if
might
we
come into
grab
play.
that liquidity and then start
Yeah,
breaking up, we
yeah.
could really push up.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
what about GG boys?
I think
Woo!
it's
Oh
better.
shit! That fleeced people,
I
man.
told you guys. I told you
Oh,
it's just
damn.
too tight.
Yeah.
It's too tight.
That's crazy.
I hope nobody bought at the top.
At the top, at the open, they get smacked.
Oh,
It
no one's
still
looking at
might
GJ
fly.
period.
Sorry, Nick.
No, I'm saying hopefully no one's looking at GJ period, man. Just like put that in the shit list and move on.
Yeah. EOGA trade is running well.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm looking at it on the 30 and the 1 hour. If it had broken that bullish, I don't know, you
Top.
call that doji. Yeah, that bullish top I just made, I got out, but still
Fair
running.
enough. Yeah, I think that was a booby trap, as Master says.
What
That candle, that dodgy one.
Oh, yeah. But like I said, I was paying more attention to the hour, and the hour closed perfect, like a break retest.
Yeah, below with the wick to fill.
Yeah, 100%. So
Yeah,
let's see if
that's
it keeps
good, man.
going.
Hey, look, how's it going today? Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. Not yet in gold sales. Too early and too risky. That makes sense. Love your singing, by the way. Thank you, man. actually got in gold with you and lost, but it's okay managing risk. I didn't get in gold. I was not in gold, Saf. I didn't take gold buys. Only took gold sells before. Which is doing what it can do best. Taking traders' money lately, 100%. My entry would have been higher on gold. It didn't tap my level.
Man, GG's pleasing everybody. Wow.
Yep.
I hope nobody
Oh.
bought at the top.
You got in with me in the sales. You should have been at like 18 pip profit, so I don't know what you did. If you got the same position as me, you went like 18 pips deep, so I think you should have secured some profits and never let your position run into drawdown. I don't know what your entry was, but
But for GJ, sorry, for GJ, I still believe it might push up.
okay. I don't know what your entry was, but should have been good.
GSS?
No.
Yes,
in
sorry, I heard you, August. Yeah, I got in those GJ buys and I closed half a break even, and after half at 15-minute break. So it took a small loss, but I should have actually closed everything once it went back to my break even, because it tapped that level and I did have that level marked, and it
What
made
was
sense.
your entry? 435.
Yeah, exactly. And my
Yeah.
entry was
I can see
440.
already. Yeah, but it was sensible trade, and I fully understand why you would take it. But as I said, for me, the range was too tight on a 4 hour.
Yeah, no, 100%. I did have that level marked up, and I was looking at gold, so I didn't manage probably the best my GJ, but it tapped that level. I should have put everything at break even, because for me it was like once it broke that range, like it did have a higher chance to then go up, and maybe
Like yesterday, right?
What was
Yesterday when you broke out of 500 and you took
yeah,
the
but
buys.
yesterday was even much. I mean, yesterday was
Cleaner.
Yeah, much cleaner. He was like, I have a good entry, so if this happens, I could have I still lost less than I lost a little bit. I think I lost like 2.5 pips, so it's still.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. But I should have closed everything at break even, but whatever.
Yeah, I still believe actually we might go up on GJ, because GJ is doing exactly what GU done to me on a Tuesday. That I got 7 pips up and then I got hit to break even. So, it dropped. We might come back again to the support level, because this 4 hour is very strong zone. This is the higher swing low point that we made. So if we cannot close below that level or form any sort of resistance below that level, which is like 335, that would be ideal. 320. I don't see any sells. So
How long have you been trading?
But then
September
to buy,
2019. Yeah, go ahead.
sorry, but then for the buys, it's really tight.
Yeah, no, it's like more counted on.
Sorry, continue.
Yeah, I was saying I was more counting on I get my entries pretty good, and if it breaks out, then good, and if not, I mean, I didn't manage the best, but I should have managed. So I would have been out at break even pretty much. It was kind of if it keeps breaking out, I have that good entry, and if it comes back and it rejects that level that I actually really did, and I marked it up, then I should have been out at break even.
But that's good, man.
But it happened so quick, and I was looking at that gold maybe, and it was it just closed half, and after I had my stops already under the 15, so yeah.
And Voin, where are you? I don't know, man. What the fuck? Should have trailed my stop. Yeah, that's not smart, Saf. That's not smart. I think you need to learn something from that. Yeah, man, let loading, you know it.
Augustus?
When FB drop gold, I don't know.
if we start breaking the low, the daily low on GJ, we could continue down
Yeah,
to
100%.
retest the support. And if we do flip bullish on the daily candle now, we would have grabbed enough liquidity on the 4-hour, etc., to continue pushing up.
Wait, gold. Or GJ?
GJ.
Oh, okay.
GJ.
For GG, that's what I said. If we form any sort of resistance below that 4-hour swing low, the higher low, which was at 360, so on a lower time frame, it's like 320 something. So we definitely got potential to go down. I was more clinched to sells today as well, looking at that area. But as long as if we don't form any sort of resistance, I'm not taking any impulse sells. And for buys, as I'm saying, yeah, it's really tight for me to get in there on a 4-hour range. So I'm just gonna sit out. Honestly, GJ has not been giving me any piece of bread for me to take. So it's a quiet week for me.
That's okay.
Quite weak, but obviously positive. But still, sort of like becoming in terms of taking less trades.
Okay, people are asking me, will NFP drop gold? I got no idea, man. We don't know yet. We do not know. If I knew, I would have been a fucking trillionaire right now. I'm not a wizard, guys. Come on.
I'm a wizard, Harry.
Wrong chart.
Luke is the market wizard.
Hey, man. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm looking at that too, John. Man, like Johnny. Please break down GU. Well, it's doing a break and retest right now. 5. I think, let me take a look. Just broke the weekly low. Daily low got broken, but didn't really have a top wick yet. So might fake out on that one. I think based on the 4-hour, we're pretty much inside this small range right now because we rejected this level. Let's see what that is in the 1 hour time frame. I mean, yeah, we're at 1 hour resistance to just support. This is the most recent support. This is pretty much the zone we're in. I think if you have potential buying options right here, once price starts closing above that 141.084, I think you could see some buys come into play, but it has to close above that level, and then it's going to probably fake out. So once price fakes out, I think you should be good to continue back up inside the range. Selling wise, I would sell below 1.40.864. I wouldn't mind these 15-minute levels straight away. Would more be looking at the 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. I think that's the most important. Close above there. First target is going to be that 170 level, around 10 pips. Or safer buys are going to be above that level. So it depends on what you're looking for. But target-wise, you're going to be targeting zones here to the left. It may be this wick here, or especially this target right here at 451. So I think that should be good. Selling-wise, selling target are going to be right here. Selling targets are going to be based on the 30-minute time frame right here. Pretty much you're targeting these wicks right here to the left. But that's not like a lot of range, so I think you need to wait for some other selling opportunities. For range or for the selling is very small. You're pretty much at this 4-hour support, so I think if you start breaking back up, I think buys are going to be a better play at the end of the day.
Yo, Luke,
Yo,
who
something.
was in the GA cells?
What?
Was anyone in GA cells?
I got no idea, man.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay, because it's rejecting that 83,900 level.
Yeah, exactly. If it breaks this high, I'm getting out.
All right.
Yeah. We need a 15-minute candle close against this resistance and then next one break the highs. Oh my god, GJ. People.
Frankie giving a second chance, mate.
Yeah, 100%.
Above
Now-
15 high.
Yeah, exactly.
I can already taste your mind.
Yeah. Now I mean, now it's good because now, like you said, it's that level and made resistance there. So if it breaks it, it should go. And the
Yeah.
stops would be like 8.4 pips. So for me, it would be
Yeah, just below the 15.
yeah.
That makes sense. As our lows, I see your markup, but I don't know what you're looking for. You're looking for sells, you're looking for buys. Sells below 400. Okay. Could be something. If we fake this out and break up, we could see buys coming into play, like above that 480 level. So, but makes sense. Makes sense. Now you're pretty much thinking about this is going to be the fake out. I've corrected the sharing options. Okay, let's take a look if this is the right one. Let me see. Slash radius. No man, wrong chart again. What you need to do, you need to go to my gold chart for a second. You need to go to this camera icon right here where my mouse is. Here's my mouse. Here you need to go to this camera icon. Click on it. You see the image URL. You go to the right and you copy paste this part of the chart. Only this part and put that in the chat. Not this part. Only, show you again, this part. Why you always trade GJ and not other pairs? Bruv, I'm trading gold right now. NFP will drop gold almost for sure. Unemployment numbers are bad. Yeah. No problem. No problem, man. I understand that you don't know it. I mean, no one can know everything straight away at the same time, right? Angular pattern. Same guy, same thing as the other guy. Same thing. I mean, it makes sense, but not really the same. Yeah, style. I don't know what these things mean, but I think if you break up, you could also look for potential buys right here, because at the end of the day, price made a high, price coming back down, retesting this zone again, making it, you know, this is a strong zone. We start breaking out, you could look for buys, or yeah, could be looking for sells, but I would look for sells personally if you want to really force them sells. This is 15-minute time frame, so I don't know what the other time frames look like right now, but based on the 15-minute, I would look for sells below this level, or at least these candles right here. But I see that you're waiting for a breakout and a retest. That's pretty good. I think you should be fine. Yeah, I've read it. Funny Blast. I see. Yes, see. Luke, thank you very much for your feedback. No problem, man. No problem. Thank you for being here. I'm thinking of removing my buy stop. This price is just not moving right now.
Luke is the guy that brought all of us together. The family guy.
The family guy. Yeah, I'm thinking about removing the buy stop. I got a buy stop, but price is not really moving right now, and I wanted it. Like, it already broke the 4-hour high, and it didn't do shit. Like, but let's see. I do want to see, like, maybe this 15 candle closing bearish, because then we create a support, and then we can continue moving up. Like, no, I'm already Kuman.
Yeah, but you can see there's no volume on 15 on gold, like the previous 15.
Yeah, I know.
Barely has been.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I would personally wait just for the close. But I don't know when the gold shoots. What's the actual time? When it's making its movement in London.
When you see your entire account being blown.
You had that feeling, boy?
Wow. Oh man.
You better believe I did.
Yeah. Pushing up. Let's see. Oh shit, there's something in my eyes. It's really annoying.
Take it out then.
Yeah.
What's your plans for today, Luke? Friday?
Yeah, man.
What are you up to?
A lot of stuff, man. I'll explain you later.
Oh shit, I like it. I love when you talk dirty to me.
What do you say?
I said I love when you talk dirty to me.
Fucking hell,
man. There's nothing much to do, so rather just have a little bit of laugh.
Yeah, man, 100%. But there's people in gold buys right now.
Yeah, this 5-minute close looks nice, but
yeah, it needs to close with a top wick if you wanna continue the trade. I think best is to wait for the 5-minute close to close above 73,400, and then wait for the highs to be broken, because that's the most important thing. Tang, you know the vibe. I mean, just because it's gonna push up, just because he's pushing doesn't mean it's gonna break straight away. Are you gonna do the New York sessions? Yes, I'm gonna do the New York sessions next week, the week after, and the week after that. So, if you hear and you didn't hear that before, I will be providing with Master P the New York sessions. Delicate. Delicate. Put on that music. I'm newer and I watched your streams for the last week. You're awesome. Keep up the good work, man. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for tuning in, man. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, that's a good idea, John. That's a good idea. I'm trying to say 2 words at the same time today.
Man's calling IKEA out.
What do you say?
I said, you call it IKEA? No idea, yeah? IKEA. Have you got IKEA in Netherlands?
What do you think, man? IKEA is a world business, man. That's worldwide. You have fucking 20 IKEAs here. I mean, IKEA is big. I can see how many. It's like... "13 IKEAs here." Like, you know, in the big cities. Yeah, it started breaking low, so I'm gonna remove my there we go. I'm removing my buy stop. I had a buy stop placed at the top of this wick right here, 500, but I'm gonna remove it because the way price is acting around this level, not the way I want it to be acting. So who's IKEA? It's a store. Buy furniture.
Yeah. Question is if it's gonna respect this resistance to continue ranging or break out.
Yeah.
Looking at it, my hourly candle closed below my resistance, so there's that probability it can continue ranging.
I mean, on the higher time frames, they're not really structured right on the 5 minute. You see a lot, but on the 30-minute and 1 hour, we still need to create some structure, even though closed above with the 1 hour time. Like, this could also be like a liquidity grab for price to soon continue moving on, but way price respecting on the 30-minute time frame, you want to maybe wait for this candle to close bearish and the next one to engulf and break the previous high. Are you connected to Roger Banks? Yes. Crypto, nothing but risk. Okay. So the channel is going to be called Luke Trades New York. I might need to change the name for a little bit. Look, I have a challenge for you. Yeah, I could do, but I maybe want to stay with the pairs I'm trading right now. Vindy only this year, last year, London session was amazing.
The best London sessions, man.
On point.
The best.
On point. You want to see all those things I was going in from. Wait, let me get some notes out here. There's so many charts I have. Like, you don't want to know.
London, one candle, 40 pips, easy.
Every Tuesday, 50 pip, 30-minute candle. Trust.
Yeah, honestly, man.
I have random charts. Random chart. More than 250 random charts of the past. Kind of look through them a little bit. Okay, gold is doing some movement right now. It's going up without a bottom wick. Needs to make a bottom wick.
Hey Luke.
Yes.
An idea. Maybe we add the New York session timings on the banner and upload it for the next few weeks as a temporary.
Yeah, could do as an.
Don't you think that's a good idea? So people can be with it.
Yeah, that might be pretty good. Look into that.
Let me look into that, alright?
Yeah, perfect. That would be good, man.
Okay.
That's really nice of a guy, to be honest. I don't know who was talking, but that's really nice of you, man.
Anytime, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, Augustus.
No worries, man.
See, price is going up, but I don't think there is an entry for me right now. The reason why is because price is just going up without bottom wick. I mean, the 5-minute rejected, that's the previous bottom wick. This should be the bottom wick. So let's see. Let's see. Price going right now. Price in the move is breaking the high. I don't know yet. Still below that previous high. Still below below that level. So I think if you really want to take this trade, you need to wait for the high to be broken. Where do you need a bottom wick for an entry? Because I kind of has a high probability of making a bottom wick before going up. But based on this rejecting, you expect price to already made its bottom wick, right? Can you explain quick logic? Yeah, I'll do that in a second. A lot of people want to know. Look at gold for a second, see what it does. Yeah, just put like 6:30 EST. I think that's the best option. Oh, there we go. Now, to be really honest, I don't know.
Money jar, look. Money jar.
Just
You said to be honest.
I'm out. I'm out.
See you guys.
I didn't want to call this one out because it's pretty dangerous, but I had to buy. I got out at and 1 pip. I had a buy at, where did I take a buy? 37. So I had a buy right here. I went around 7 pips in profit, got out pretty much at break even. The moment I wanted to say, to be honest, price just fucking shot down.
Are you sure? Because if you're not saying to be honest, you're lying, as Max said yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so I don't know if
No,
if I'm gonna believe you or not.
They buy
To-
up one.
To be honest, that might be wrong.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Nice one. Yeah, the price just shot up. I seen it as well.
I went like 6 now, 7 pips profit. Around that. Got
I
out.
can see Frank's fingers are nearly twitching for GJ buys. I think we might see a 9 o'clock move again, like yesterday. Yesterday the market showed up
Oh,
9
even
o'clock.
higher. I went 8 pips into profit.
Hello.
Hi,
Hey, Manu, how are you?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I can
Whoa,
talk
whoa.
for a minute or two. Tell me.
No, I just wanted to
Oh,
tell you.
oh shit, I clicked wrong. I accidentally muted Augustus.
Yo, look, I was in those gold buys with you. I was at break even.
Yeah, perfect, Michelle. Nice. Michelle took 20 pips with this liquidity grab. I didn't say anything, I know, but for me it was a very risky entry.
Yep.
I went 8 pips into profit. It's all good.
With the 30-minute not having the bottom wick,
Yeah.
even I took that entry and immediately put my stops at break even as soon as it started pushing.
Yeah, me too. I was like, I see going. I had a break even trigger at 6 pips, and that hit.
Oh, okay.
And then
Yeah, because we were just expecting to continue pushing, so yeah.
yeah, it is what it is.
Yep.
So it might be reasonable to say it can be respecting this resistance to continue to support, maybe.
This is rejecting right now.
Yeah,
And
because
now
we know
1875 flat could be a zone of respect.
Yeah, if you break 171 800, you're gonna go down. That's this week right here. Yeah, it makes sense for the people once to start flipping, selling. It's a very good idea. For me, it was pretty good. It was a pretty fun trade.
Look, check DJ, we are breaking up.
And Frank is in.
Oh yeah, sure, I know. Oh damn, yeah.
You know what GJ did? GJ respected Asian high, which is 400 level.
When you said, to be honest, right there, the highest so gold, you're a G. I was like, the market knew what was I was gonna say, right? I was like, to be honest, bang, down to my entry. After being like, I saw only like 7 point something, but it already hit 8. So I'm good. I'm out. That was good. Oh, good. If you had your entry right there, you're a G for taking that entry.
What, sells or buys? I'm guessing sells.
You have a cold look. Actually, let me see. First, I was like, not no wick, and I was slowly going up, and I was like, okay, seen this happen before. 5 minute made a wick down, the liquidity grab. This is probably gonna be the wick of this candle, but it just happened a little bit too soon. So I was like, okay, anticipate this to be the wick for this candle, and then continue moving up. I did it move, but not the way I wanted it to move. But I would have break even, so that's all good. Break even is always good. Now you can say now price did a fake out, and now it should go all the way back down. The only problem is that the 5 minute close without a bomb wick, but it's breaking the 15-minute low though. If you break this bullish low, then I think you are breaking structure, and you should continue moving further down. And it actually makes a little bit sense for price to start closing without bottom wicks, because it's now moving very fast. Breaking the low. Yeah, I think it should continue now. I think it should continue.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be conservative. Wait for this 5 minute to close below, and then
yeah,
but it's probably just gonna move.
Yeah, because it did the fake out, right?
Probably. It's just at a resistance.
Yeah. Rejecting it a little bit right now. Yeah, this zone right here. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you have the 5-minute candle close right now, or bullish even, if you have a 5-minute candle bullish close right here, and then break up the low, it should continue driving down. Oh, GG playing with people, respecting the wicks.
Yeah, so if on Tradingview you've got the option to view the previous day close price.
Yeah.
And the point that GJ keeps hitting, it's just tapping.
Yeah, that tapping that zone. Yeah, I saw that. It's just that it has a very hard time with flipping. Also, what Augustus said is the 4-hour resistance right here, so it's just, yeah, it's hard. Even though I have like very small profit for it today, I'm happy about the fact that we executed on things we saw. Only made €9 because I closed 50% at 14, and I was aiming for like how much?
20 pips.
No, more. No, my target was very big.
Oh yeah, full target. But your 1-to-1 was 20.
Yeah, 1-to-1, 50% was 20, but once I saw that 14 pips, I saw a little bit of an issue at 14 pips.
Yeah,
I closed, and I wasn't really gonna manage risk on that 20 pips anymore. Like take off positions at 20 pips and all. So my target would have been with the leftover positions. I got in at right here. Like, what was the exact entry? Like 39, yeah, 40. Like my target was going to be like 48 pips. So it is what it is. Didn't make a lot on it, but it's good. At least took the chance. Like the runner on this trade was going to do the work for me, not the actual position close itself. I was aiming to make around $40, $50 with the runner, down towards 62. And the actual position only closed with 10. And now this small break-even trade took me a little bit profit off, but that's only like 1 pip, not even 0.9 pips. So I ended the day in blues, but like very, very, very small blues. But it is good. It's good. At least we tried. And at least it's blue. It's not red. So.
Yo, look, I'm gonna head out, man.
Yeah, perfect, man. See you, man.
I'm gonna start my weekend early.
Ooh,
See you all next week.
See you, man.
And have fun, guys. Ciao.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care, man.
No, I think a good opportunity is forming for you right now on SCP.
Bye-bye.
I think
you're gonna take it easy.
Cautious. Yeah, take it easy for me, but also cautious.
It's respecting that 5-minute previous support.
Yeah, exactly. If it breaks the load, then it's tricky.
I think sales will work out, but to be honest, if I was taking sales, I'd have to have my stop loss above the high, which is what 30 pips away now. But
30
because
the 16. If you put on the 5-minute high, it's 16, 17 pips.
No, not this.
Yeah.
Oh, you want it all the way here? Yeah.
Yeah. That's where I'd want it because I would expect it to wick up again.
Okay.
Well,
yeah,
if it breaks the low, you don't expect this 5
Yeah,
to really come.
it's
too
impulsive.
bullish, so
Yeah, I guess, but
14 pip.
when I always think like when I'm trading in a range, I know that price is going to carry on going up and down, up and down. So I want to have like a safe stop loss. You know, where like I know price, well, I don't know, but I think price is going to go down to structural low. I don't know how it's going to react in the middle. So that's how I always kind of deal with it. If like I'm in a range, I want to have like the lowest or highest stop loss I can have. But like, let's say now, let's say this 5 minute close below the structure low, and you put your stops above the current 5 minute, let's say, because it's just like formed a resistance. It could just easily come back up and tap that. That's what I think.
I always do that. Use 5 minute. 5 minute for me is it's good enough. Like 10-20 pip stops.
Yeah.
Never gonna.
I think because it's 5 minute, I'm always a bit cautious because they're always 5 minute levels. You know.
Yeah. The trade I just took, like the buy right here. I was risking 40 something, 42 I think, 42 bucks, and I only lost €1.49. But
good.
Also all based on the 5 minute stop loss right here. Like the stop loss itself was how much?
Oh no! See, if I was taking that trade, I would have put the stop loss below the current 5 minute candle.
Okay.
You know, look, the 5 minute because it was, you're not expecting it to come back. You're expecting it just to continue, but because we're in a range, you kind of are expecting it to like wick back up and wick back down.
Yeah, makes sense.
That's kind of just because it's in a range. If it was like in a trend, then obviously I won't be too fussed. But like, that's what I think. That's how I think about it anyway.
It's good. I mean, it makes sense. Sometimes I think about it too, giving my trades a little bit more room. But I know that trades like this, giving more room, and this is gonna happen, and that's not the play I want. Bull's breaking a 5 minute low. I think it's breaking structure right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. You're looking for a close below or a break below. Not looking for anything right now. Oh yeah, today is the fight.
Fight? What fight?
Yeah, I think it's today. Floyd Mayweather and Logan Paul.
Oh, they're having another one?
Oh, that's the one, right?
I have no clue. I don't.
I saw that coming by somewhere. Like they're gonna fight the 4th or something.
This weekend there's the Formula 1 in Baku, Azerbaijan.
Yeah, you were a week too early for that one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tomorrow. Okay. I don't know anything about it. Did you ever try trading companies? No. Why do people care for these fights? I don't give a fuck. That's why I don't know nothing about it.
Same. I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I need to pack up, start.
Nice.
Monday got the flight to Italy.
Nice.
But I think one more thing I'm gonna do, just like if I come to the charts and like there's nothing good on the 4 hour, if I had anything better to do, I just wouldn't even trade the session, to be honest. I'm just gonna start implementing that. Unless I see something good on the 4 hour, I'm just gonna go do side hustle things.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, Master, I agree with you because even for today, like GJ, we were in a tight range, and as I said, if we don't form any resistance below, there's no trade. And for buys, we tight. So just, I'm chilling in bed, man.
Yeah, nice. You need to get out of your bed, man. Come on.
What do you mean, bro?
What do you mean, bro?
I'm gonna take a nap and I'm gonna go to the gym because I don't see nothing for GJ now.
Who were your Forex mentors? Men like Raja Bank?
Uncle Ted.
Oh, GG's pumping. Guys, GG's pumping.
This is Gold is playing with people right now. Not with me, luckily, but oh damn, yeah, there you go. Now it doesn't give a fuck. Without a bottom wick, just flies.
GG's pumping.
Louise, like the stream, guys. You know the vibe. Yeah, you know it. Like the stream, guys. We have 360 people in. We don't even have 200 likes. What's this, guys? We're lacking a bit, man. Like, for real. We used to get 300, 400 likes. What's this, guys? You know what?
Get up, bruh.
Make it. What's up?
But yeah, like, because you know, when you come to the chart on the 4-hour on gold, it's like, yeah, you can expect buys, but it's like until the 4-hour actually closes bullish, it's gonna be tricky. You might just see it ranging until the 4-hour closes bullish, and that's what we're seeing now. So you either play the range or, yeah, but playing the range is just tricky enough itself.
Yeah. I think it's good to not touch gold anymore till New York.
You might not even want to touch it in New York due to NFP.
Yeah, fun. Maybe put like 50 cent lot buy limit and 50 sell stop buy limit. Fuck, you're gonna get destroyed. Sell stop, buy stop.
That's where you make your
risk like
money back,
100. Yeah, risk like $100 and then get gapped 50 pips and then lose 10 times more than you wanted to lose.
NFP is where you make your money back.
Or lose more than double what you're trying to make back.
Yeah.
Look at GJ, but the move actually itself is not big at all. Like, look at this. Like 7 pips. It looks fucking huge, but it's small. Gold's coming back down after tapping the resistance again. She's playing games.
5 minute now breaks the 5 minute high. That makes a little bit more sense because the previous
What?
one is
High or low?
Oh, low.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah,
Already broke the high.
Yeah, previous 5 minute, it either closes below 71.80 or it breaks the low because the previous 5 minute is bearish. So that's impulse entries just work out much better when the previous candle is in your direction. Yeah, and then you should easily correct the clean traffic on the 5 minute to the left, which is 15 pips, and then ultimately you might head down to the bottom of the range for like 45 pips.
Nice.
I think if Frank is in GG buys, I think he should be good.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's not, I don't know. It's just like I'm stops at break even. If it does the push, does the push. If not,
your entry is the 30 minute high?
I had a buy stop at 493.
Is gold going to do a last 10-minute push? I'm just going to observe it. Not my MetaTrader's closed. Magic keys is off.
I got this. Oh no, you're gonna say it. You know the vibe. Yeah, man like Henry. We're lacking those rookie numbers. For real, we're lacking the numbers right now. 5 minute broke the low. I don't know about this, man. Yeah, it's gonna continue down probably to like 66, but this is not gonna be a clean move down.
You might have 10 pips clean. Might be clean because this 5 minute is closing in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
If it closes like this, next one can
break the low
down.
Yeah. Gazi, I don't give a fuck about anyone else. So don't come to me with other people. He did this or he did that. I don't give a shit, man. To be honest with you. I really don't.
Yeah, what happened to it?
I don't know. I don't give a fuck. Don't talk about, man. Just we're here focusing on ourselves.
We're not necessarily talking about. I saw the other day he
I don't know.
Kind of deleted all his videos, or at least made them private. I don't know why though, but I was in the middle of a video and I'm like, oh shit, I guess I'll never get to finish it. Yeah, this 5 minute on gold closing back above the range, delicate.
Well, somebody's coming at you, Luke. What's going on?
Oh, no one. But I'm like, there's people talking about other people. I'm like, you just gotta focus on yourself, man. It doesn't matter what everyone else is doing, right?
Yeah, true.
Like I said multiple times a day, guys. Everyone in there, we got 350 people in. Just focus on yourself, man. Focus on yourself. Why look at other people the entire time? Like everyone is going, like I've explained this last week as well, everyone is going after that sensation. That was like the Logan Paul fight, you know. Some people like it, but the sensation behind it, guys, come on. Focus on yourself. Like the same with trading, like the same with I don't want to say the name, but you probably already know the name. The guy. People are going so after that, watching everything that happens with them, or to them, or watching every video about him, or like constantly keeping those things in your mind, man. Just come on. It's what do you say? Yeah, I understand, Gazi, but focus on yourself, man. Don't give a shit about other people. Just focus on yourself. I think it's the best to just focus on yourself and leave the rest behind. Like what they do, I know it's sensation. It's like it's like the Forex social media right now is it's the same as X on the beach, you know, like for real. So, but
just drama everywhere.
Drama everywhere. Just get the fuck out of the drama and focus on yourself. Learn how to succeed yourself. It doesn't matter what anyone else does. It matters what you do. And getting all those other thoughts in your mind is just a waste of time and a waste of thought process. So I think you guys got to take it easy and just focus on yourself. Like sometimes I can some people are maybe butthurt about this, right? But I mean, this is gonna help you in the long run. Gonna help you a lot in the long run.
Man, Gigi doesn't even have the power to give 10 pips to people.
For real.
Gold is breaking a low, so it's pretty good, but not at a point where I want to take anything. Like a little bit of volume came out. Last 5-minute push of the 1 hour could put you into some good profits, but David, very good. I know I'm not Master P, but that's very good. Master P got a question to you in the chat.
I'm considering learning meditation. What do you think?
Cold showers, mate.
Cold showers and mindfulness. I think mindfulness is better than meditation. Be mindful of your emotions, because it's not about canceling out emotions, but it's more about being mindful of them.
Aware, maybe
aware.
The right word.
Yeah, aware. Exactly.
Yeah, but cold showers, how you doing with them?
Good, pretty good. I'm actually, it's getting, so I haven't taken any warm showers since last Tuesday, but now
Bro, you need to properly shower as well, you know, because you're gonna stink.
I still use soap. I still use soap and everything. Why I do warm showers?
I hate soap and cold showers.
Yeah.
Why?
Soap
What's the difference?
Bro, that feels weird, man.
What, cold
It's
shower?
water.
No, not water. Soap and a cold shower.
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
I don't
but
like
it's-
that
it's-
feeling.
It's water.
Weird
It's water.
shit.
It's the same thing. Whether it's
I
warm or
know,
hot.
but it's cold water and it feels like something weird.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but now
Yeah.
I'm starting to get to the point where I feel like I might have some relapse. I'm like, oh man, I wake up in the morning. I'm like, oh man, do I really want to take a fucking cold shower? Like, let's just do a hot one. I'm like, but it's okay. I'm just pushing through it. It's good.
I don't usually do that in the morning. I do like in the afternoon or whatever, because you don't need to do just in the morning, because you know you wake up and everything. But when I wake up, I just wash my face with a cold water. But cold showers in the afternoon, I'm just doing that for my health benefits and relaxation and everything, and that just helps throughout. Because when you wake up, you're all sort of like stagnant and still lazy and everything, and you definitely don't want to get into the cold shower
Yeah.
at that point. So
Yeah, I prefer it before my session, and then maybe in the evening before bed, I might do like a warm shower to relax. I think.
yeah, but I mean, it makes me feel good. The cold showers, as well as Max said, he's going into the cold pool. I think that's even a better option.
Yeah, that's true. My father, he does it every single day. He swims every single day. Even in the fucking winter, he goes out there in the sea swimming. And
I used to do cold baths before.
He does ice things, man. This man is mad. He's
Yeah,
mad,
but it's nice.
Because your dad Wim Hof.
My dad, he's insane.
from
He did
Netherlands too,
he
you
did
know?
like 100-mile marathons and shit, man.
He lives in Amsterdam, I think.
No, I don't
I'm
know.
sure your dad is not a Wim Hof, mate. He
do you
just
say?
not talking to
Yeah.
us, man.
What do you say?
Are you sure
Whatever
your
Wim
dad
Hof
is not Wim Hof?
Nearly. It's about to be the same. They are even old.
Yeah, but
It's nearly
the
the
guy
same.
Wim Hof is the beast, man. Like,
Yeah, he's Dutch.
yeah, he's
Yeah.
Dutch. Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna head out. Call it a night. Enjoy your weekends. I'll see you guys next week.
Take it easy, Nick.
Yeah,
See ya.
see you.
Oh, GG is doing my head. I'm out of break even.
No, but that's what I'm saying. It doesn't
It's
even have the
games.
power to push through for 10 pips. Like, it does make sense, but you know why? Because we're in a tight range.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just it gives you like 3 pips. Like, what the hell? Like
Even
3,
if you
4, 5.
Even if you get the best of the best entries on GJ, like if you look on the 5-minute, when that 5-minute closed at 0.46, that's still only 9 pips. Your 10 pip trigger wouldn't have been triggered. So yeah, it's so tricky.
No, but I'm expecting like some kind of volume to like do like a little push and just like
Push, a boy.
If you want to see any volume, I think it will come right now, like in this hour.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm out the break even. Just what it is, what it is.
It might reach 600, and yeah.
A breakout's the main type of trade now. Where would you take a cold shower once you wake up? You must already know. No, cold shower is gonna wake you to. You know what?
Just read about the hell
Yeah,
man. It's so good.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably go to the gym before trading session, and then cold shower after the gym. What are you laughing at, bruv?
There's a comment from somebody in the gulag. You don't even wanna know.
Oh yeah, I saw that. I think.
Oh dear.
Yeah, I saw that. I didn't say anything about it, but I thought you were laughing at me when I said that.
No. Sometimes
Yeah,
I'm just reading the gulag and it cracks me up.
And
Frank, didn't you get out?
Yeah, get
Yeah, you
out.
got out,
Yeah.
yeah.
It is what it is. It was just my psychology wasn't there for this session, like for these buys, and just like moving too slow and just like whatever. Like I didn't.
I don't think it's your psychology, man. It's just the market we're in at now. It's just too slow. GJ is just too slow,
No
and
volume.
the market cycle is too slow.
Yeah, but
for
like
us.
I do see myself like not confident, and also because of this like market structure and all of this. So I'd rather be out of break even than like risk losing some, I would say.
Yeah, it's Friday. It just to be honest, on Fridays I only look for A+ setups, like nothing much, because I know that there's less volume and everything. For Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I can have a little B+ setup because the volume might work it out, you know.
Yeah.
But obviously, I'm mostly looking for the high setups. But this week, GJ or Erika Repair barely gave me anything.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Had 2 trades.
Yeah, go ahead.
I had three trades actually, 1 break even and 1 10 pip GJ sell, and yesterday GJ buys 5 pips in the New York session.
GA had a pretty okay buying one.
Oh yeah, GA yesterday flew, man. I was just looking and I was like, where could I get my entry?
GU has a okay move right now, breaking up. In traffic right here. Explained before, once your price starts closing above this level or breaking highs above the level, it should be your entry.
What you gonna be exercising in the gym? Is it muscle things or weight loss things or?
No.
Man said things. Man said things.
Man. Things. Yeah, depends. Probably everything.
Okay, makes sense.
Probably everything.
Bit
Just
of
some cardio and some muscle.
Yeah, just make sure you do more muscle than the cardio.
Yeah, otherwise your muscle's gonna go, right?
Yeah.
Bro, it doesn't matter, man. Man's a big man.
Hey, Luke, what that means is that usually you're on the computer at 7:30 a.m. You want to train in the morning, so
Yeah.
your day should start at 6.
Yeah.
5:30.
Yeah. See me already waking up.
I think we need to challenge each other because I
Okay.
missed at least 2 days over the week, which are essentially my London sessions, because I'm at the gym at 8:30 a.m. Kenya, which makes it 7:30 your time. So yeah, when you're starting the stream, I'm hitting the gym.
Okay, let's.
Maybe I need to push it an hour and a half before, man.
Yeah. Okay, we put in the challenge right now. Okay. I'm gonna do my subscription next week probably, and then the challenge is, you need to go into the gym at least 3 times in the morning in this week and in the week.
Luke,
yeah,
and I got a
2
challenge for you. You start the stream exactly at 6:29.
Yeah. That's a good one.
At exactly 6:29.
That's gonna be pretty hard. I'll try. Okay.
No. You don't try because you are 1 hour ahead of us.
There is no trying.
Yeah,
there's no trying. I have to. Okay.
You just wake up 5 minutes earlier, so you can start stream 5 minutes earlier. 6:29 on a dot.
Yeah, Raj is always on the dot with
on a dot.
So
that's true.
Yeah, that's true.
So let's push each other, right?
You want to concentrate on other people if you want to build yourself. Exactly, man. Like Mamba, read the comment of Mamba. But Sham, let's do this one, yeah? From next month, or
no, next week.
Next week. Yeah, I'm not in the gym yet, bro.
Go and do it.
Yeah, I have to, but I have to do some stuff
this
today.
weekend. Gym membership.
Yeah, okay. But from the week next week or the week after that week, we got a challenge, okay? You're not allowed to trade if you don't go to the gym 3 times in the morning. What? 3 times of the 5 days in the morning.
3 times in the morning.
3 times in the morning. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. No, but you understand. If you don't go to the gym at least 2 or 3 times in 1 week in the morning, you're not allowed to trade that day, or no, you know what I mean, Friday or whatever.
Well, I'm down, man. I just have to move my timing. I go to the gym anyway 2 times a week over the weekdays, once on a Saturday, and I go for a nature walk on a Wednesday. So I do stuff at least 4 times a week. Now the challenge here with the gym thing is that I got to start earlier. If I go to make the stream at, is it what, 6:29?
It's going to be.
It's going to be, eh? Yeah.
You want to know the full-on challenge? You want to know the full margin challenge?
Yeah, no, we can try to fix something.
You want to do the full margin challenge? If you don't go to the gym on 2 or 3 days a week, we're counting it. Every NFP you need to do full margin, random sells or buys, 100% margin, no lower. Or your account is gonna be gone, or you're gonna be going to the gym.
And Luke, we have a challenge for you. If the stream doesn't start at 6:29, you have to do us a dance every time.
What do I have to do?
A little dance.
A little dance.
No,
for at least 1 minute. Every time you're late, you have to dance for us.
Come on, Luke G, bro.
Yeah, I have to do it.
10 minutes earlier. You just have to wake up 10 minutes earlier.
I'm already waking up at 5:30. But...
Yeah, so don't stay in the toilet that much long, man.
Yeah, man.
Like for me, like for you, it's 7:30 the stream.
Yeah. For you, 6:30.
For me, 6:29, and I'm on a dot at 6 o'clock waiting for you.
Yeah. See you, man.
Yeah. Come on, 6:29, boy.
Yeah, sure.
Go stop Netflix with the ladies and go to sleep early, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, no, it depends on which day it is, because then every day is different.
No, every day is the same day because the next time you stream.
Yeah, but different bird. No.
Man, if I would need to wake up at 7 o'clock, I would be damn night.
I know a lot of... I can do 50 push-ups. I can do 50 push-ups right now. Right fucking now. On one go. Russ. Pull down with nose on the ground.
There's a really good push-up challenge. Maybe we can do that, guys. Let me just post the YouTube link. It is really good.
Yeah. I go to the gym 24 hours in 7 days a week, and I sleep in an ice bath. Then I wrestle with a bear. Nice. Thank you, Tebogo. Thank you, man. Look at gold; it's moving so slow. That's why I didn't want to get in anymore. The movement is probably going to stop until to NFB. Range inside 66, 73. Then start 100 push-ups. I don't know if I can do 100 push-up. I can do like 40, 50 in one go. 100 is a little bit much, man. Yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna call it this one. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Don't forget to like and especially subscribe to the stream. We're coming so close to 10K, guys. It's insane. Like 3 months ago, we were like, okay, if we hit 10K in the next year, what do you say?
This year.
Yeah, at the end of the year, but probably was logical next year. I was like, okay, that would be good. But we're 3 months flipping in, and it's going ham. It's going ham. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking the stream. Thank you guys especially for being here. I hope you learned something. I hope you didn't overtrade, taking the correct trades. I hope you took the gold sells with me. Yeah, next to that, overall, thank you guys for being in there. I'm tuning out. See you guys Monday morning. Bye bye, guys.
Cheers, man.
Yeesh.
Take it easy.
There you go.